12-month wealth plan from debt to first asset. What if I told you that in the next 12 months, you could move from owing money to owning your first asset without a miracle, without luck, and without waiting for the economy to change? This isn't motivation talk. It's a month-by-month roadmap built on financial principles that work for anyone disciplined enough to follow them. By the end of this video, you'll have a 12-month plan, practical, biblical, and doable, with free templates to help you track every step. Before we begin, take a second to like this video, subscribe to Wealth University, and share it with someone trying to build from scratch, because you're about to see how everyday people move from survival to stability and finally to ownership. This roadmap is for anyone tired of financial confusion, the person juggling debts, living paycheck to paycheck, yet feeling deep inside that they're meant for more. It's not magic. It's not a get-rich-quick promise. It's a strategy of stewardship. How to order your money month by month until what you earn begins to work for you. Let's break the journey into 4 stages. Month 1 to 3, stabilize and clear chaos. Month 4 to 6, structure and strengthen. Discipline month 7 to 9, build and multiply income month. 10 to 12, acquire your first asset. Let's begin. Stage 1. Gaining stability, month 1 to 3. Month 1. Reality audit. The first month isn't about making money. It's about understanding where your money goes. Write down every income source, salary, side jobs, irregular inflows. List every expense, subscriptions, food, airtime, transport, impulse spending. Identify leaks. Those little expenses quietly robbing your future. Check the description section for the Wealth University Financial Audit Sheet to track your inflow and outflow automatically. Proverbs 27:23. Be diligent to know the state of your flocks and attend to your herds. Know your numbers. What you measure improves. Month 2. Debt alignment. Face your debts head on. Avoid denial. List each debt, who you owe, total balance, interest rate, and monthly payment. Create a debt snowball or debt stacking plan. Snowball. Pay smallest debts first for momentum. Stacking. Pay highest interest debts first for savings. Cut emotional spending. You can't fight debt while rewarding yourself with unnecessary luxuries. Check the description section for the Wealth University Financial Debt Freedom Tracker to track and systemize your debt payment. Month 3, emergency cushion. Before investing, build safety. Target at least 100,000 to 300,000 Naira or $200 to $500 in a simple savings account. This isn't profit, it's peace of mind. It prevents you from borrowing for small crises. Cut one luxury this month and redirect that money to your emergency fund. Small sacrifices now create breathing room later. Stage 2, building structure, month 4 to 6. Month 4, budget like a builder. Now you build a structure that obeys you. Divide your income using the 10-20-70 rule. 10%, tithe or give, keeps your heart generous. 20%, save and invest. 70%, live and run your life. Use envelopes or digital wallets for separation. If it's not budgeted, it's not spent. Check the description section for the Wealth University Smart Budget Tracker Month 5. Increase skills, not stress. You can't save your way to wealth if your income is stagnant. This is the month to upgrade your value. Learn a digital skill, copywriting, design, analytics. Offer freelance services. Volunteer strategically to gain experience. Join communities that expand your network. Invest in knowledge before you invest in assets. Ecclesiastes 10:10. If the axe is dull and one does not sharpen the edge, more strength is needed. Month 6. Side income activation. Turn skill into stream. Start a small monetizable project. Sell an e-guide, run a class, resell goods online, or farm on weekends. Keep it lean. Keep it legal. Keep it consistent. Your goal isn't millions, it's proof. Proof that your money can multiply. By the end of month 6, you should have cleared or reduced major debts, stabilized your budget, started earning something extra. Stage 3, building, month 7 to 9. Month 7, savings with a purpose. Now that money is flowing, you'll be tempted to spend. Don't. Direct it toward a goal. Create 3 saving jars. 1. Emergency jar, untouchable. 2. Investment jar, for future assets. 3. Lifestyle jar, for controlled enjoyment. Automate transfers the moment income drops. Discipline is easier when it's invisible. Proverbs 21:20. The wise store up choice food and oil, but fools devour all they have. Month 8, invest in what you understand. Avoid the noise of quick returns. Instead, master the basics. Savings accounts for liquidity. Mutual funds for low-risk growth. Agric crowdfunding/cooperative savings for small but steady ROI. Dollar assets or NGX stocks. If you're financially literate enough, never invest in what you don't understand. Ask, if it doubles, can I explain how? Month 9, systems, not hustle. You're now earning, saving, and investing. Next, build systems. Automate savings. Schedule bill payments. Use tools like PiggyVest, CowrieWise, or RiseVest for discipline. Wealth is built on automation, not adrenaline. Create order so money doesn't depend on mood. Stage 4, creating ownership, month 10 to 12. Month 10, identify your first asset. Your first asset doesn't have to be huge. It just needs to produce something. Choose one depending on your capacity. Land, joint ownership, or cooperative plot. Income-producing skill or course. Equipment that earns, camera, printer, sewing machine. Mini livestock or produce business. The goal isn't luxury, it's leverage. Month 11, acquire and protect. By now you've saved, built skills, and earned small returns. This month you acquire. If it's a land, register it. If it's a business, formalize it. If it's an idea, document and brand it. Then protect it with a business name or CAC registration, insurance if applicable, a separate bank account. Proverbs 24:27. Prepare your work outside, make it fit for yourself in the field, and afterward build your house. Month 12, legacy and review. The final month isn't just to celebrate, it's to review and repeat. Look back. Debt reduced or cleared. Savings consistent. Income diversified. Asset acquired. Then ask, how can I multiply this next year? Document lessons, adjust systems, and most importantly, teach someone else. Because money that blesses only you is still limited. The real wealth is impact. Now that you have a 12-month roadmap, what will you do with it? Most people will watch this video and move on, but you're different. You've just seen a plan that can rewrite your story. So here's what I want you to do next. Download the free templates, link in description or pinned comment. Create your month 1 plan today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Share this video with one friend who's serious about change. Because the truth is, you're one disciplined year away from your first asset. If you found value in this teaching, like this video, subscribe to Wealth University, and turn on notifications for more practical, faith-based financial wisdom. Remember, Wealth doesn't begin with money. It begins with wisdom, structure, and time. This is your year of financial transformation, from debt to first asset. Welcome to Wealth University, where smart minds learn to build wealth.